Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add payment icons to your Shopify footer. Displaying payment icons helps build trust and lets customers know which payment methods are accepted. Let's go step by step on how to add them to your store. Now, on the Shopify dashboard, before we add the payment icon to our theme, we need to make sure the payments are set up. You can go to Settings, and once you are in your settings, just click on Payments. Make sure it is enabled here. It must be added before we go to your payment method. Once you have added the payment methods here, let's go to your payment icons. Go back to Shopify, and then go to the online store. Now, once you are in your online store, just click the theme. You want to add the payment icons, not add the payment icon on your footer. You just have to click on the footer on the left part. Once you click this, all you have to do is enable the payment method icon. Now turn this on. If it is off, you will see it is off. You turn this on, and it will show here. Now, these are your payment icons, and that's how we add payment icons to your Shopify footer. This simple addition can make your store look smart and professional, and improve customer confidence at checkout.